Hey guys, what's up? It's Laci and welcome back to my channel. How I made our chakra energy shelves. Just keep watching. So instead of going out and purchasing 7 different shelves, we just got an 8-foot long board and cut them into 10-inch sections. Then this is the paint that I used to paint both the top and the bottom and the sides. You guys can pause this if you need to know the exact paint colors. And here's what it looks like all painted. Acrylic paint dries pretty fast, so this didn't take very long, but it did take about 2 to 3 coats. Then I just attached them using some steel L brackets with some drywall screws. I spaced them about 9 inches apart just so I could reach without having to get on a stool to get to the crown chakra. I'm so drawn to crystals and polished stones, and I had to show you guys this. I actually got this on Amazon, and when it came in the mail, I was so impressed by it. So we have the amethyst here, and I mean, look at the size and the quality of this. It's so beautiful. And this is the chakra kit, and then it also comes with a pendulum, a rose core, a clear quartz, and then you have your chakra polished stones here. I was just blown away by the quality of this, especially for the price, because I go to a place locally here and it's pretty pricey, but I don't mind paying it because I like to support local businesses. But I also want to get my money's worth, and I think that this is such a great deal. I also got another polished stone chakra set. This is gorgeous as well. And then I got some incense for each chakra. This came as a set. And to be honest, I haven't used these yet. But I have used the oils. I have those in our bedroom, and it's been wonderful. I'm addicted to essential oils, you guys. I love them. And I wanted to show you guys these finds just because I've really been loving these things lately, and I'm so impressed with the quality. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this video. Please like if you like it and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.